Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best leather chamois on the market, the Airlab Chamois cloth for car. This extra large drying towel measures 35 by 23.6 inches, giving you a generous 5.7 square feet of premium chamois leather to work with. Now, what makes this chamois stand out? First off, it's made from genuine natural leather sourced from sheep, which offers an incredibly soft, supple feel. Unlike synthetic drying cloths, this real leather has excellent extensibility and breathability, making it ideal for quickly absorbing and holding large amounts of water without dripping or leaving streaks behind. The texture of this chamois is smooth and gentle, so it won't scratch or damage delicate surfaces, which is essential when you're caring for your car's finish. It's perfect not only for cars but also for motorcycles, boats, windows, and even household cleaning tasks. This versatility is a key advantage, as the chamois can handle different surfaces while delivering a streak-free shine. Another great feature is the size. At 35 by 23.6 inches, this towel is large enough to cover broad areas, reducing the time it takes to dry your vehicle. The natural irregular shape also allows you to easily cut it into smaller pieces if needed, customizing it for various uses. Caring for this chamois is simple but important. After each use, rinse it thoroughly with clean, soapy water, then rinse again with plain water. Avoid washing it in a machine or using harsh chemicals, and let it dry naturally away from direct sunlight to preserve its quality and longevity. Proper care will keep it soft and absorbent for a long time. In terms of performance, the Airlab Chamois absorbs up to 6 times its weight in water, making it super efficient at drying wet surfaces quickly. Its natural leather construction means it doesn't leave lint or streaks behind, ensuring a clean, polished finish every time. To sum up, the Airlab Chamois cloth combines traditional tanning techniques with modern production methods to deliver a high-quality, genuine leather drying towel. Its large size, softness, absorbency, and scratch-free finish make it an excellent choice for anyone serious about car care or looking for a versatile, durable drying cloth for multiple uses. If you want a natural, reliable, and effective chamois that lasts and performs, this one from Airlab is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review on the best leather chamois you can get right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.